I would like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which I fish at Queenscliff. A lot of people are asking, can you catch squid when it's raining? And the answer is yes. Here my sister-in-law is holding our first catch of the night, caught using silver whiting. The time is around 7 p.m. and it's low tide. Our second catch was caught using fresh pilchard. This is our third catch, a mackerel, using a tentacle from the squid that we just caught. This is our third catch of the night, using fresh silver whiting as bait. The next night we came back and we didn't catch any. There were more people, but only 2 were caught. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.